What's up, everybody? This is Eric from East Computer Solutions. So a couple of days ago, I dropped a video of the LG G8 with Android 10. And a lot of you guys put in the comments that did LG fix the audio, the internal audio with the LG G8? As you know, the internal audio on the LG G8 was tinny. It was not that great. A lot of y'all guys complained about how the internal audio sound with this device when recording videos. Well, let's go ahead and put it to the test and see if the audio has gotten better with the LG G8. So I got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's go ahead and put these two devices together so we can hear the audio with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the LG G8. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Woo! Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the phone mic. I unplugged the external mic from the LG G8, and I want y'all guys to hear the sound that's coming out of my voice and the difference between having an external mic versus the phone mic. Now, I never thought that I had an issue with the LG G8, but y'all guys was putting in the comments is calling foul like the LG G8 audio sounds rough. It sounds tinny. It sounds pretty bad. But you be the judge for yourself. Now, what I'm going to do is get the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and we're going to do the audio side by side with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the LG G8. So let's go and do that part. All right, guys, so I got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and I got the LG G8. So in this part of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the difference between the audio with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the LG G8. Now, I got both of the devices on the tripod pointing exactly at me at the same time. I did not do no adjustments or no nothing. This is straight coming from the phone. So you be the judge for yourself when it comes down to the camera or the audio footage coming out of both of these devices. Now, again, I always use external mics on all my devices. So every time I do like camera reviews and stuff like that, and I use the regular phone mic, a lot of people was questioning how bad the audio was coming out of the LG G8. But you be the judge for yourself. All right, guys, so this is the audio test between the LG G8 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And I'm going to switch audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio of both of these devices. Now, back when the LG G8 had Android Pie, when the first device first came out, the audio was subpar. It was tinny. It was not that great. A lot of people complained about how the audio sound with the LG G8. And I always use external mics to give the good audio quality of the LG G8 every time I film with the device. As you know, with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the audio sounds very good, superb. But a lot of people is asking the question, now since the LG G8 has Android 10, has the audio got better? And again, I'm going to switch audio from side to side and so y'all guys can hear the audio between both of these devices. And I'm going to tell you, I hope that LG fixed the problem here with the LG G8. You be the judge for yourself and let me know down in the comments below if the LG G8 is better than the Galaxy Note 10 or hasn't gotten better over the course of time and with the new update of Android 10. This is Eric from East Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. The LG G8, has it gotten better? And did you listen to the audio previously before the update compared to now? See you guys on the next video. Peace.